Bread time.
Oh no, there's a car in the way, you know what happens?
This is literally just for a piece of bread. It just burnt. Someone killed a piece of bread and now they got the entire fire brigade. It's just for bread. Look!
And 1, 2, 3, everybody cheer, yay!
It's just for bread. You just need a fire extinguisher.
Oh, no, another one as well.
What?
Another one.
2 fire brigades? Just for a piece of bread? Oh, come on! You got squadron as it is.
They've probably got nothing else to do.
Oh. Oh, yes they do. Yes they do. They have to...
Here he's coming. He's coming.
Is it an ambulance? Is it an ambulance? I got 34 minutes of recording time. This is awesome. I wonder how...
recording them all?
I'm literally recording.
Don't record the people.
I can't record.
Yeah, here he comes.
I've done my tiptoes.
He's broken siren. Here he is.
Save that siren's life, everyone.
Why is he coming that way?
Because he's going the same way as that one. You didn't realise they have to line up.
Right, here he comes still. Right forward.
Here's the next fire brigade, just for a piece of bread. A loaf, in fact. Look, they're just two.
Everybody's here again.
If it's this serious, then wow. They're getting out the cones. Yay. No, he's getting his trusty fire extinguisher. I got it right. And there's the thing in that opener there. Alright, yeah, there's a fire, there's an alarm over there as well. All hooked up. No, it's in there. While the first squadron goes in, the rest of them just stay in the truck and play on the phones. I don't know what that's for. No, but seriously. I can also put this on YouTube. Yay. It's very loud. We're still here after like 2 minutes. Takes like half an hour just to get the fire brigade or something. Are you doing this on a recording? You're recording now and it's fun. It's a bit pathetic, but it's fun.
Oh, that must be a big cooker.
Oh yeah. We need to get on top of the building and save that bread before you commit suicide, even though he's already dead. Someone's put the fire brigade in reversing gear. Oh wait, no, are they getting on top of the building? Or are they getting on top of the fire brigade?
I don't know.
I can't tell, I'm only allowed to be here. No thanks.
Hello, you alright?
Fine enough. No, they're just getting ready. It's been 2 minutes.
In there, picked up the trousers, just sorting out his shirt, and
bread.
Our alarm went off.
And a bread died.
So
it's
what
what happened
outside now with 2 fire brigades here. Everything's over a loaf of bread we finished.
I mean, it's a bit awkward.
Well, it's gone off in the baking. So.
I did see that they had like 3 rows, 3 up, 3 length up and 3 width.
Okay.
And 3 of length. They're not really getting out the big weapons, are they? 999 or 1112. I mean 112. Oh wait, no, that's a Lincolnshire Fire Department. This is Skegness Fire Department. Oh wait, never mind, they're both the same. They're just different sort of things. Then look, that's an engine 2. That is an engine 1, I think. I don't know, because engine 1 and 2 are different.
That's a big one. That's a big thing.
Yeah, I don't know, I just learnt it off games. I just learnt it off YouTube and Google.
P1, there's the one engine, and there's P2, the other one.
That's for most climbing things, I think. Hey look, and cars. Oh wait, dude, they both have winches. I can live in that. Where's the fire hydrant in these days?
You just took it in.
Oh. Yeah, it's a fire extinguisher, a fire hydrant.
You don't need it, does it?
Yeah.
Just carrying the water.
Strong man. Oh. Squadron 2, I think, is about to get ready. One of them looks like they're going into a SWAT team.
That's where they kill people.
No, one of them has like an entire mask on. A black mask. Phone in there, don't be I always need to put the phone down when anyone else like comes around.
Okay.
What? They're not done yet. They have to put Squadron 1 and you have to put Squadron 2 in. I think that's a rookie. The one in the sea.
Look, it's wrong with that.
Oh right, yeah. I keep putting my phone down. But seriously, for bread. I wonder what happens if there was 4 pieces of bread on fire. There'll be 6. There'll be like just imagine 6 fire engines all lined up in front of the building going in. Save the bread. Well, I can tell you this right now, the paychecks are going to get low.
Yeah, there's more tax again.
Wait, what?
There goes more tax again.
Why?
Taxman pays for the...
Wait, you have to pay?
The taxman pays.
This ground is so soft, smooth, not soft. If it was soft, I would be bouncy. Squadron 2, Squad 2, Squadron. Squadron is meant to be in it. Going crazy about the people walking past me. I can't see much inside the building. All I see is a person in there. Right there with the hypers. Everything else is on, except the engines are on, the fire engines are on. Local news, bread dies. I need to watch the news after this. Oh wait, there's a cameraman here. Where's the cameraman? I want to wave. Where is he? Is there a helicopter? Or are they just going to do it from the cameras? Hi. Imagine someone just phoning up and saying, "Where's my bread?" I'm sorry to say to this, but your bread is now gone. It's very windy and I'm trying to not make it very windy. Sorry about it if it's windy, guys. Yeah, I'm talking to myself. Oh well. We've been waiting here for 10 minutes. Hi. Bye. I want to wave to the fire brigade. I've already waved at them. Wave at me. Ongoing scene about fire. The bread is gone. I repeat, the bread is gone. Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
They don't know how long it's going to be. They can't find it.
It's already been 10 minutes. Wait, they can't find the bread. The bread's escaped. The bread's
They don't know where the
escaped.
problem is. They don't know how long it's going to be.
Don't say it's a little robbery on the back. No, it can't be.
Right, get in. We're going to do the rest.
Okay. By the way, I'm still recording. Oh, great. Local news, bread dies. The bread may have escaped. Can I take the mask off now?
Muslim, and you're going into another.
Oh, good. Everyone's leaving. I mean, I'm not actually allowed to show you this. I'm not allowed to. I can't talk. I'm gonna end it here.